You feel it coming. Your chest tightens. Your vision blurs. Your heart pounds so hard you swear you are dying. And then someone tells you to just breathe. But you have tried that. Deep breathing makes you more dizzy. It makes the panic worse. So you think something is broken inside you. You think you need medication or years of therapy just to feel normal again. But here is the truth. Panic attacks do not start in your lungs. They do not start in your brain. They start in your gut. They start in your sleep schedule. They start in your blood sugar. And that is good news, because those are things you can fix today. In the next few minutes, you will know exactly how to stop a panic attack before it even starts. No complicated routines. No expensive supplements. Just simple daily lifestyle changes that work with your biology, not against it. Panic is your brain's alarm system. It is designed to protect you from danger. But if you are having frequent panic attacks, it means your alarm has become too sensitive. It goes off when there is no real threat. Most people try to fight the alarm. They try to calm themselves down during the attack. But that is exhausting. That is reactive. The smarter approach is proactive. You fix the triggers that keep setting the alarm off in the first place. Specifically, you need to look at 3 things: blood sugar stability, body temperature regulation, and your gut health. These 3 systems are directly connected to your nervous system. When they are out of balance, your brain stays on high alert. When you balance them, the panic loses its fuel. Let us start with blood sugar. This is the most overlooked trigger. When you skip meals or eat sugary foods, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. That crash triggers adrenaline. Your body thinks it is starving. It releases stress hormones. And those hormones feel exactly like a panic attack. Racing heart, sweating, shaking, dizziness. That is not anxiety. That is a biological response to low fuel. Your fix is simple. Within 30 minutes of waking up, eat something with protein. A hard-boiled egg, a piece of cheese, a handful of nuts, just 5 grams of protein. This keeps your blood sugar level throughout the morning. Flatline your sugar and you flatline your anxiety. Next is temperature. When panic hits, blood leaves your brain and rushes to your limbs. Your body is preparing to fight or run. That is why you feel hot and dizzy. But you can override this reflex instantly. Hold an ice cube in your hand. Splash cold water on your wrists for 20 seconds. Or put a cold pack on the back of your neck. This triggers what scientists call the mammalian dive reflex. It physically slows your heart rate. It signals your nervous system to calm down. It works in seconds. It is not a suggestion. It is biology. But here is where most people mess this up. They only use these fixes during the panic attack. They ignore the root causes while they are calm. That is like putting out fires without fixing the faulty wiring. One major mistake is overbreathing. When you panic, you breathe fast and shallow. That is chest breathing. It removes too much carbon dioxide from your blood. That makes you dizzy and lightheaded. So when someone tells you to take a deep breath, you actually make it worse. The fix is belly breathing. Put your hand on your stomach. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Your hand should move out. Then breathe out slowly through your mouth. Exhale for longer than you inhale. Count to 4 on the inhale. Count to 6 on the exhale. That turns on your rest and digest system. It tells your brain that you are safe. Another mistake is ignoring your gut. Your gut produces 90% of your serotonin. That is the chemical that regulates your mood. If you are eating processed food, you are starving the good bacteria that keep your brain calm. The correction is simple. Add 1 serving of fermented food to your daily routine. Yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, sauerkraut. It feeds your gut microbiome. And a healthy gut means a calmer brain. So here is your action plan for today. 1. Morning. Eat a protein bite before your coffee. 2. Trigger. If you feel the heat rising, grab cold water for your wrists. 3. Night. Put your phone away an hour before bed. Blue light disrupts your cortisol rhythm. If you are not sleeping properly, your brain stays alert. And an alert brain invites panic. You do not need to be a prisoner to panic attacks. You just have to respect your biology. These changes are small, but they are powerful. They address the root cause instead of just the symptoms. If this helped you understand how your body works, hit that like button. It helps this video reach someone who is struggling right now. And subscribe for more raw, actionable health advice.